Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Eek plus wall. Right plus Z. Eek, wall, rights. Equal rights. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our show. Please join me in welcoming a newcomer to Classic Concentration, making her debut appearance with us, Gina Traino. Do I have it right?
Traino.
Traino?
Yes.
Hiya, Gina.
Hi.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York, actually, but I just moved to Burbank a year ago with my husband.
Burbank. Beautiful downtown
beautiful
Burbank.
downtown Burbank.
You could almost walk to our studios from your home,
it was
right?
a 15-minute drive right here.
Yeah, what do you do?
I'm a jewelry designer.
Designer?
Yes.
Oh, do you work mostly in gold or silver? Do you specialize in any one thing?
I work with semi-precious stones and silver, yeah.
Okay, well, we'll talk a little later, but right now I'd like to introduce your opponent. He's been with us before. He picked up $3,600 on our last show. His name is Henry Rutland. How you feeling today, Henry?
Very fine, thank you.
Good.
That's great.
You know, of course, that you have one strike against you, and that means that this game is very, very important to you. More important to you than for Gina. She can afford to lose one, but you can't. Are you ready to go?
I'm ready.
Okay, good luck to you. We are now going to show you one of the prizes the two of you are competing for in game number 1. Let's take a look.
The Apple IIc Plus personal computer, sleek and transportable, with built-in disk drive, standard 128K memory, and RF modulation. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Thank you, Marjorie. Gina and Henry, take a look on the board. Behind number 9 for the computer, we have $600 in the cash pot, and we also have a holiday in Waikiki. And since you're the newcomer, Gina, you get to go first.
Okay, I'd like to open up the center of the board and look at number 13, please.
Dead center for a 10-speed bike.
Let's see, number 25 in the corner.
His and her diamond watch as well.
That'd be
We're
nice,
obviously
too.
getting into his and her things here.
Yeah.
Henry.
Okay, let me try my lucky number 3, please.
Wild card.
Right.
Okay, Henry.
Good for you.
And number 9, please.
Computer. Would you have a great deal of use for a computer in your line of work, Henry? You're a teacher and you're working down there in San Diego. It would help, wouldn't it?
Very much so. I use it all the time.
All righty, good.
Now I have one of my own.
Yeah, we'll show you the other one. It's at number 16, so that means 3 doors are going to swing open right now. Select again.
Number 7.
Red take.
Number 20.
Wild card again.
Lucky number.
Yeah, sometimes it works, other times it doesn't.
Yeah.
Henry has had experience both ways. We'll show him the other red tape, and I'll give it to you. You'll keep it for insurance purposes, and we'll open another 3 panels for you. Keep going, Henry.
Okay. Number 18. Oh,
Waikiki, Hawaii. Now's the time you want to make a match
Really?
with a wild card or
Number
the other
5,
holiday.
please.
Number 5. Nope, green tape. Gina.
Let's go to number 1, please.
Luggage.
Luggage. I'd like to see number 15, please.
Stereo. No match. Henry.
No.
Okay, let's try number 22, please.
Green tape.
Number 5.
I think so.
Little insurance here.
You bet. I think you are now over-insured.
Okay.
You're carrying too much insurance, Henry.
You can never be overinsured.
That's right. Let's open it up. Pick again.
Number 24.
Luggage.
And number 1.
1 is it. For the luggage.
You can thank me for that.
Thank you, Gina. I appreciate that. Now we can just find a trip to go with it.
Aha, that's what he's looking for, the trip. But first, 2 panels. Swing them open. Go again.
Number 12, let's try to open it up a little bit. Oh,
Cash
right,
box.
I could use some money. Number 4.
Entertainment Center. No match there. Let's go over to Gina.
Okay, I don't think we've seen what's under number 17 yet.
Stereo.
Okay, and number 15, please.
Stereo. There's a match.
Yay.
Your match makes you happy. It also makes Henry happy because he's sitting here with both of those tapes. And he says, hey, they're useless until she gets some prizes. But maybe you can surprise them and solve this puzzle and win the game, Gina.
Okay.
Pick
Not
again.
yet. Okay. I'd like to see what's under number 12, please.
Cash pot,
Cash
and that's
pot.
$600.
And I think we saw what was under that on number 8. Oh, no.
No, but
I did give
Henry
you...
is about to thank you again, I think.
Oh.
Oh, number 2
No, his and her diamond watches.
and number 25.
Well, you didn't make a mistake on that one.
Okay.
And you have both tapes here, and she has a stereo.
I think I'll wait for them.
You got both of them.
I will take the stereo. Yes. Sorry about that, Chief.
Okay. I'll win something else.
Don't tell him to save it. He had 2 of them.
Right, I had them both.
Open it up. What's he saving it for? Henry, pick again.
Number 6.
Food
Oh,
processor.
I can use one of those too. Let's see. Number 10, please.
Food processor.
Okay.
Open it up.
Since I met you,
Is it Since I Met You? No, it is not. You get to pick again, though.
number 12, the cash
There's
pot,
still a wild card up there. $600.
and number 19.
10-speed bikes for 2. Gina.
Okay. I'd like to see what's under number 4, please.
Entertainment Center.
Okay. And under number 23.
Cash pot. No match. Henry.
Number 8,
Waikiki.
number 12, please.
Oh, Henry. No.
Oh,
Okay. Number 8, please.
Waikiki.
And the match at number 18.
Waikiki. It's there. And down here, 2 panels opening up.
Okay. And Oh.
Select again. There's still a wild card.
Okay. I'd like to see number 12, please.
That's the cash pot.
And number 23 for the match.
That's the match also. You have just 2 prizes, Gina, but they're big ones. The holiday in Hawaii and the cash pot. Can you win them by solving this puzzle?
Yes, I can. Since I met you, baby.
Is it Since I Met You, Baby? Yes. Now it's your turn to thank Henry.
Thank you, Henry.
Henry did all the work on that one except for the baby part. All right, let's go to the board, Gina. Watch your step now.
Okay, we've got the cents. The money is cents. I of the needle. Met is New York Met. You, baby. Since I met you, baby.
Congratulations on that solution and on that brilliant explanation. Henry, I'm sorry it didn't work out, but you know, I've got a feeling you won 200 California lottery tickets, included in that $3,632 in prizes. I have a feeling when you get through scratching, you're going to be a very happy man.
I think so.
I hope so, anyway.
Thank you.
Take care, Henry. So long.
Good luck, Gina.
All right, Gina. Henry leaves us because he had 2 strikes against him, and when we come back, you're going to be in the winner's circle. But before we go to the winner's circle, well, why don't we smile a lot as we listen to Gene tell you about these prizes?
Okay.
A cash pot worth $600 and Waikiki, Hawaii. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Honolulu. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll stay 6 nights at the Deluxe Hawaiian Region, located near Diamond Head, overlooking Waikiki Beach. You may enjoy fine dining, sports, shopping, and special luxury touches furnished by the Hawaiian Region. And these prizes total $3,758.
You have such a pretty smile, and you have many reasons to smile, of course. Those are fabulous prizes. You know something, Gene? I was just wondering what the reaction of our contestants would be if you said, we will fly you to Hawaii, and then we will put you up at someplace, say, like the Condado Beach Hotel in Puerto Rico. That might confuse them just a little. All right, that does it for us right now. We're going to come back, and this lady's going to try to win a brand new car in about a minute or 2 from now. You solved that puzzle very nicely. How good are you when you practice at home with the car around?
Pretty good. I won one this morning on my computer.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, but I had 55 seconds, but
Yeah,
that's
but
okay.
there's a big difference between your computer and here. Your computer doesn't pay off.
No, it
We
doesn't.
do.
Yeah.
Here are the 15 numbered squares.
Okay.
Here's the clock. Base time for you, 35 seconds since it's your first go. Good luck.
Thank you.
Start.
1, 4,
No.
7, 10,
No.
13, 10,
No.
7, 14.
Yes.
Okay, 4, 13,
Right.
2, 5,
No.
5, 1,
No.
8, 3,
No.
6, 3,
Yep.
9, 12,
No.
5, 12,
Right.
15, 8,
No.
9.
Well, it's all right. It's okay. You only had 3 more to go.
Oh.
Meanwhile, you've got $3,758 in just 2 prizes, a holiday in Hawaii and $600 in cash to spend on that trip. We'll be back after this. Well, the lady did well in that first game. And as a result, we have a new player to introduce. His name is Pete Landy. Hiya, Pete.
How you doing,
Welcome aboard. Tell me about yourself quickly.
Okay, my name's Pete Landy. I'm originally from New York, a small town called Wappinger Falls, just south of Poughkeepsie.
Sounds like a pretty place, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very
Nice?
pretty. It's a very small town, but
What do
that's
you
where I
do?
grew up. I'm out here to study at UCLA, and I work as a door host at a restaurant.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
I'm sure you'd love to win this prize because it's fabulous. And it's fun, too. Look who's enjoying himself.
Wish upon a star as you and a guest enjoy a moonlight stroll along the deck of your Bahamas Disney luxury liner. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Orlando. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll enjoy Premier's Cruise in Disney Week, a 4 nights Bahamas cruise plus a 3-night stay at the Walt Disney World Resort, including hotel, rental car, and admissions furnished by Premier Cruise Lines. You'll probably never want to come home again. Alex.
Fabulous vacation, and you can find it on our board, Gene and Pete. Dead center, behind number 13. Only one wild card in this game, Pete. You're the newcomer. You get to pick first.
Okay, I'd like to start by opening up the upper right-hand corner, number 5, please.
Diamond and topaz
Ooh,
earrings.
that sounds nice. And let's try and find a match for that under number 12.
6-player croquet set. No match, obviously, so we'll go to Gina.
Okay, I'd like to see the upper left-hand corner, number 1,
Electronic typewriter.
number 21.
No, we've got
Oh,
a treadmill.
That's nice.
I could use that.
I
Pete?
could too.
Okay, can I see what's behind number 19, please?
China dinnerware.
Okay, and let's try and find that wild card or the match under number 3.
Treadmill. No match.
Thank
Gave
you.
you one.
Gina.
I'd like to see number 21, please.
21 for the
I
treadmill.
know that treadmill's there, and under number 3 for the match.
Under number 3 is right. There it is. And here we are. Go again.
Okay. Okay, I'd like to see what's under number 4, please. Oh,
Wild card.
And I seem to like trips, so I'm going to go for number 13.
13 for the Disney Bahamas cruise. The other one, top line, position number 2. 3 more panels swinging open for Gina. Still not enough, obviously, so keep going, Gina.
Okay, I'd like to see number 20, please.
Oak table collection.
Okay, and let's open up some more of the puzzle with number 24.
Electronic typewriter. No match. Pete,
Okay, I know we saw the electronic typewriter under number 1.
you are right.
And if I was paying attention, was it number 24?
You were paying attention. So you're going to get a look at this puzzle. It's still on the perimeter, unfortunately.
It's too early, Alex.
Go again.
Okay, can I see what's behind number 11, please?
Diamond and topaz earrings.
Great, great. I remember that behind number 5.
Yes, you're right again, and still we are on that perimeter. We've only uncovered one square on the inner part of the puzzle. That was an important one, though, the vacation. Open up these 2 panels. Keep going, Pete.
Let me see what's behind number 15, please.
China dinnerware.
And I think the match was under number 19.
Yes. And at last, we are beginning to work our way to the interior. Let's see if it helps. Go again.
Okay, can I see what's behind number 25, please?
Washer and dryer.
The match may be behind number 22.
Maybe, but it isn't. It's crystal candlesticks. Gina, back to you.
Okay, I'd like to open up some more of the puzzle with number 12, please.
6-player croquet set.
And I believe we saw that under number 6.
No, that's the oak table collection.
Shoot.
Pete?
Okay, let's go with what's behind number 8, please.
Red tape.
Red tape. I could use that. I could use that. And behind number 16, please.
No, croquet set. Gina?
Okay, I'd like to see what's under number 6, please.
Oak table collection.
And number 20.
Oak table collection.
match,
There's a
yeah.
match for you. You got 3 prizes up there, Gina.
Okay.
Chance to solve the puzzle again.
Okay.
Pick.
Okay, I'd like to see what's under number 16, please.
6-player croquet set.
And under number 12 for the natural match, I believe.
Yes.
Yay.
Another look. Another chance for Gina. Go again. Whoa, there's the bell. I'm going to help you out now. We'll start revealing our boxes one at a time. Get your hand on your signaling button there, Pete. Ring in only if you think you can solve it. 7, 8, 9, 10. Think of cereal. 14, 17, 18. Pete.
Breakfast of Champions?
Is it Breakfast of Champions? Yes, it is. Way to go, Pete. Got some good prizes, too. Come on over to the board.
Okay, we have, right here, we have the B plus the
Wreck.
plus the rec, okay.
I'll help
B
you out.
plus the rec. F plus the ass and T, breakfast. We have off, the CH plus the ham, the P, and the yawns for Breakfast of Champions.
Breakfast of Champions. You did that very well. Gina, it's only your first strike, and that's kind of good news because it means you'll get to play in the next game. Right now, though, we'll take you off stage for a few minutes. And we'll spend our time with this young man who's just won some great prizes. Gene, tell him about the place.
An electronic typewriter and diamond topaz earrings, part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection. These brilliant blue topaz earrings are accented with 12 diamonds and set in 14-karat gold, furnished by Kay Jewelers. And China dinnerware, Bernardo Limoges. 4-place settings of Ottawa dinnerware, elegant china enhanced by traditional design, interpreted for today's lifestyle, furnished by Bernardo Limoges.
$1,200 in prizes for you, Pete. You're going to get a chance to add to that considerably. Good. With one of these new cars, if you're successful in winning one in the base time of 35 seconds. And we'll get to that after these important messages. Please watch. Pete Landy won the game. He gets his first shot at winning a brand new car. 15 numbered squares, Pete. 35 seconds. Base time for you. We had somebody win a car in 35 seconds last week. Let's see if you can do it today.
Okay.
Good luck. Off you go.
1, 4.
Nope.
7, 10.
Nope.
13, 2.
Nope.
7, 2.
Right.
5, 10.
No.
13, 10.
No.
13, 5.
That's it. Keep going.
8, 11.
Yes.
14, 3.
No.
6, 10.
Right.
9, 4.
Right.
12, 1.
Right.
15, 3.
Yes, he got it. You got it in time. That's a win. Tell him, Dave. All righty.
Pete, you just won this Hyundai Excel 3-door hatchback. Features a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder multi-point engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and power front disc brakes. Furnished by Hyundai, a prize worth over $6,300.
You got $7,660. in prize. We're going to take a break.
outstanding.
We'll be back after this word from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Pasta Mama brings convenience to gourmet cooking with its designer line of pasta. Everything from fettuccine alfredo to their line of dessert pastas and sauces, furnished by Pasta Mama. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Welcome back. We're going to kill a couple of seconds here because they're wheeling in a cake. I have no idea who this is for. Marjorie lit up some of the candles, and they've all gone out now. What does this say? Happy birthday, Alex. Is today my birthday?
Today's your birthday.
Yeah?
So that's what happens when you get old.
I'm 50 years old today. I look at you, sir. Thank goodness my new bride doesn't feel that way. Well, thank you all, and I can't think of any place I would rather celebrate my birthday than right here on Classic Concentration as I watch Marjorie fill her face again. Kid will never stop. Thank you all, ladies and gentlemen, and have a good, safe weekend. We'll see you all on Monday.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.